this video, I'm going to show you how to put an Instagram watermark on your reels. So first, you have to go to your Instagram, open your reel. In this case, I'm going to edit one that I've already uploaded, but if you do a new one, just do this when you write the captions. I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to type my Instagram account. So now I'm tagged on this video. Then I'm going to click save. And now what you want to do is to download this reel. Click on the reel and then click on the three dots and click on manage. Once you click on manage, the option to download will appear. Just wait for it to download. And now that it's finished downloaded, you can add a new reel, and in recents you will see the reel that you downloaded. And as you can see, now it has an Instagram watermark with your account on it. And that's it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next one.